Hi everyone, Deb here. I have a little bit of a haul. Couple things. I bought this off Amazon. I bought some other stuff, but it wasn't crafting stuff. Anyway, I'm pretty sure Paige Stamp Girl recommended this glue. pH neutral PVA, professional quality archival adhesive. Dries clear, remains flexible, ideal for bookbinding and paper projects. So I thought I'd give that a try because I'm at a point where I need to fill little glue bottles anyway with art glitter glue, and I'm going to do a couple in art glitter glue to finish that up hopefully. And this, I'm going to fill one or two up and yeah, try it out. I'll mark those little bottles with that. So I got that. A friend of mine is helping clean out somebody's house, and he they had these drawstring jewelry bags, 5x7" in black. He said, could I use them? I'm like, sure, can always use bags. So I got them. And then I had it in a bag full of like Michael's jewelry that beads that I inventoried or something. But I guess I got this and I couldn't find it. Remember I kept saying I had an ephemera pack and I couldn't find it. Well, yeah, here it is. It's Chloe. I don't think I have this collection, but I have another cat collection. So I'm thinking I can use that. I'm not going to take them all out. It has 103 die cut pieces. You can see there's some tags, lots of different little kitties and doing different activities. Mine is asleep on my jewelry making chair at the moment. There's some flowers and fish bones and milk, which really they shouldn't have in tuna. Anyway, you get the idea. So I got that. Then the rest of it I think is Stampin' Up, and it's a combination of their last chance and clearance rack. This, I actually think, I can't remember if this is last chance or if it's carrying over, but I went ahead and got it because I have the dies to it and I love the dies. Pretty sure I used them just recently, and of course I can't find them right at the moment. Anyway, they make a tag and a little envelope, and then they have mittens and balloons and hearts and stuff you can cut out and snowflake and things like that you can put on it. But this is good for Valentine's Day, made with love, happy birthday, you know, winter, just winter, XOXO for Valentine's Day, Merry Christmas for Christmas. So you can use it for, and I love that font. I like the fonts on this. So I decided to go ahead and get it. Originally I wasn't going to. I was just going to get the dies. But anyway, I did that. Let me get my receipt because I can't remember. Oh, it doesn't say. Alright, well. Anyway, I got some things from clearance. This was on clearance. They refreshed their clearance rack. This was from order date 12/1. Yeah, the gilded gems are on clearance. I really like those. I'll talk about them more in a minute. I ended up getting more of the metallic pearls and gold and silver because I really like those, and those were clearance. I don't usually like to buy their baker's twine because I figure I can get it cheaper somewhere else, but this was on clearance, red and white. I can use for Christmas, Valentine's Day, right? It doesn't say the colors on here, but I'm pretty sure this is Night of Navy and this is Evening Evergreen, I think. Something like that. Anyway, I don't really have those two colors, and they're the thinner baker's twine, not the real thick stuff. I don't like the real thick stuff, but these I like. And then I got two of these. These were on clearance as well. Now I don't know whether they still have any of this left or not, but I love this gingham ribbon. It's in the color Bumblebee, which is retired, but you know, you don't have to use it with that color, although I have some of that color. You could use it with Mango Melody or what's that color? Crushed Curry. Crushed Curry is probably the closest one to it. It's sort of a cross. Bumblebee's sort of a cross between Crushed Curry and Pumpkin Pie, actually. It's a little more orangey than, I don't know. Anyway, it's that color. I love that stuff, so I got some of that. And then I got these, which I hadn't gotten before. I don't always get the Memories and More cards packs, but these are gorgeous with the flowers on, and I'm keeping the hand penned and the other wildflower set. So I went ahead and got them. I can't remember if they were last chance. I think they were in clearance, but don't hold me to that. They could have been a last chance kind of thing. So I went ahead and got them. I'm not going to open them all up, but you know, they're Memories and More cards. You get some 4x6 ones, and you get 3x4 ones. And the 3x4 ones, some of them will be alright for cards or for journaling, but you could also use them, some of the ones that are just design, as a back for an ATC card. Just cut it down a little bit to a ½ inch on each side, and you have ATC size, so that will work too. Maybe a pocket letter. And I did get some retired paper. I got the variety pack. They had it has the Bumblebee, Cinnamon Cider, Just Jade, Magenta Madness, and Misty Moonlight. I really liked these colors, and I still have the inks out and my Stampin' Blends out. So, you know, there we go. I have cardstock to go with it too. And I think these are last chance. They might be retired, but this is like pale papaya color. So when the new annual comes out, it'll go away anyway, because that color is gonna retire. And then one thing I got that is only available now, it goes with a set that's going to carry over called Fitting Florets, which I just ordered yesterday on the free shipping day. I wasn't going to get it either, but I really like this paper. It has Balmy Blue, Blushing Bride, Crushed Curry, Evening Evergreen, Night of Navy, Polished Pink, and Soft Succulent. So I will open this because I always like to see the paper, you know. So I spent like just over $50 on all that. The demonstrator I got it from has like a rewards thing, so she always sends a little gift for every $50 order, and you get a point. She has like a point thing going on, where you can get more free product later. Anyway, so I tried to get it to 50, just a little over 50. I didn't really need any of this stuff. Alright, so that's that one, and that's this side, Balmy Blue. Really like Balmy Blue. It's a nice pale blue, but it's sort of a brighter pale blue, if you will, but it's a true blue. It's not like a blue-green. Then this one, this is a pretty one too. That's Evening Evergreen and Soft Succulent, I believe. And the other side of that, if I can get a hold of it, is this, which is, I want to say Blushing Bride. I'll read the colors again at the end. Alright. This is beautiful. I think this is the one that caught my eye, because you don't see blue flowers too much, and then I'm pretty sure that is Evening Evergreen, Soft Succulent, Balmy Blue, and then this is Soft Succulent. So that would make a nice background, and then put even just fussy cut a few flowers out if you don't have the fitting florets. Real pretty, pretty. I like blue. And I'm going to be doing the Joy of Blue collab starting in January, so maybe I'll, I was going to do it only for jewelry, but maybe I'll do it for paper too, because I have a lot of paper. Surprise, surprise. And then this one looks like the Evening Evergreen. That is a busy design. I'm going to try and cover it a little because my camera will not like that pattern. Kind of cool. It almost looks like a road or railroad tracks if you put two like that, right? And then this pretty dainty flower with more pinks in it and a more of a white background. And then I think this is the last piece. This is sort of like a Christmassy color. I think it said polished pink is the color, which, now this paper, like I said, is only available. In fact, they had some, oh, this isn't the last, it's the second last. Whew. That's polished pink with, I think, pale papaya. Hang on. No. Has to be polished pink, blushing bride, or it doesn't look like it. It has to be blushing bride on polished pink. And then these are polished pink, balmy blue on night of navy. Really pretty. I love the blues. And this one. Of course, I love the blues. And that is Evening Evergreen in like a gingham check. And we have, they have a gingham. I didn't get any more of it. It's still available, I think. This Evening Evergreen, it's like a window pane check. I guess that would be too much. It would go with this one. Really pretty, see? Anyway, so that is my Stampin' Up! Haul. I'll have another one once they ship out the free shipping day stuff, which I don't expect I'll get till after Christmas, the way things are. Although it's been really strange here. Well, yesterday we had an ice storm, so I don't even think we got mail. We hadn't as of about 3 o'clock, which is late, so we might not have gotten any mail. But I've been getting like packages that are either UPS or USPS at like 6 in the morning. I'm like, what? So of course I have a do not disturb on, so I don't get the notification until I get up, which is usually shortly after that. Today it was much earlier than that. Anyway, I'm like, what? They left it on my doorstep at 6:36 a.m. I'm like, okay. They're working hard, so thank you to our delivery people, whoever you are with. So yeah, Fitting Florets, Designer Series Paper, Balmy Blue, Blushing Bride, Crushed Curry. I don't remember seeing that, but I might have. Evening Evergreen, Night of Navy, Polished Pink, and Soft Succulent. All beautiful colors. I'm going to see now. Oh, the Crushed Curry's just in the flower, some of the flowers. There might be more too, but yeah, there is. There's just a little touches of yellow in the flowers. So very pretty. If you like blues and pinks, this is a great paper to have, and it's not carrying over to the new mini catalog, which I have my hands on, have looked through it, and have a 2-page wish list, which I've already narrowed down to about 1/3 of my wish list. So yeah, I can't get it all, and I don't need it all. I don't really need any of it, but I want some of it. Because I do like Stampin' Up! Products, even though I'm not a demonstrator, and I won't go back to being one, because I like using other stuff like these, too, you know, and other goodies. So anyway, thank you so much, everyone, for watching. I hope you have a great day. Stay safe, stay warm, or stay cool if you're in a hot climate, and, yeah, I'll talk to you again, hopefully soon. Let's see. I'm not sure when on this channel. I think my next thing is on the 31st, and I already have that uploaded, so I'll see. I might just do a random card here and there, but I have to do jewelry this week, and then next week I probably won't be on much because I'm going to be wrapping presents and baking and cleaning house and stuff like that. All right, everyone, take care. Happy holidays. Have a wonderful holiday season. Merry Christmas if you celebrate Christmas like I do. And we will talk to you again soon. Hugs, love, and peace.